Let's see the starting of second module. Okay, your recording has been started. So let us solve some of the examples, guys, of morning class. Simple irutte. It will be simple. Okay, guys. Guys, what is this line? Wait, I will share the screen. 24 people, good. Okay, 25 people, good. Okay, let us see. 25 people. Is the screen visible? Someone reply through voice.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me check whether what will be. See, guys. Okay, before that one, what is this first line of? What is this first line of the program called as?
Preprocessor directive.
Everyone. I heard only 3 to 4 answers. Everyone. What is the first line of code called as?
Preprocessor directive.
Any program execution starts from?
Mains.
It may be void main or int main or just main. All the things are same, guys. It may be void
Sir, it
main or
could be anything, sir.
it could be anything. Any program execution starts from main. So, what is this line called as?
Local declaration.
What is this called? Local
declaration.
declaration.
Local declaration.
Can we call it as very good, guys? We call this as global declaration if it is outside this flower braces. If it is outside this flower braces, we call it as global declaration. Okay, as it is inside the flower braces, we call it as local declaration. We can give another name to that one. What is that one? Yesterday, day before class, we saw that one. Yesterday or day before yesterday, we have seen that one. This is called as N is called as N.
Variable,
It's
sir.
important. Others,
Variable, sir.
will you people agree with the and some people told us variable. Is it a variable? This is called as declaration, local declaration, and this can be even called as in a program. It can be called as a variable. Will you people? Yes or no?
Sir, the whole statement is called local declaration and the and should be variable, sir.
What Pushkar?
Sir, the whole line that is int n should be local declaration and n should be a variable, sir, where we store the value.
Yes, 100% correct. What is this line called as?
execution statement.
Others,
Execution statement.
executable
Statement, sir.
execution statement to executable statement to anything is correct, guys. Only thing is we need to understand, guys, there is no difference between executable statement and executing statement or executing line or anything. You can give your own names, but you should be aware of that one. Try to learn the things according to the language of your comfort. Don't go for huge technical words or English standards at a time. Guys, in the morning class, Nodile, in the morning class, I told you people to make a note of that one. Guys, see here, while writing an algorithm, what we used to do was, we used to write the inputs. Sorry, start. Start, we are going to represent using an oval. Input and output, we represent in a parallelogram. Mathematical calculation, we used to write it in a rectangle. Here, in the second module, we saw the condition, right? Condition will be written, condition statement will be written in what geometric object? In which type of not really, we are going to use oval, rectangle, everything to represent in an algorithm, in a flowchart. We use what symbol to represent the conditions. If
Diamond, sir.
correct amma, ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಿ. ತಪ್ಪು. Even if it is
Diamond,
wrong,
sir.
be brave and ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಿ. ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ಊಟ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಲ್ಲ.
sir.
ಡೈಮಂಡ್ಸ್
Diamond.
ಏನಮ್ಮ
Diamond,
ಏನೋ
sir.
ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಅಲ್ಲ ಏನೋ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೆ.
We are going to use this diamond symbol, guys. So is this clear? The things whatever we have discussed till now, at least what we briefed now, are people clear with the things? At least for the things what we briefed out. See here, the condition will be represented with this diamond symbol. Okay, this is the symbol what we are going to use. We are going to use to represent if. So now, guys, in this program, what we are going to do is we are going to check whether a given number is even. In this program, what we are going to do is, hey, one second, one more thing. What is this printf? Why we are going to use this printf? Everyone
The
reply.
output statement.
Output statement.
Everyone. ನಿಧಾನ ಕೇಳಿ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
Output statement.
Output statement.
This is called as
Input statement.
Input statement.
Input statement.
what is this percentage d? Why we are going to use percentage d? Why we cannot use percentage a, percentage m, percentage? What is that one
Sir,
called
because
as?
we have taken the integer data type.
What is this called as? What is it called as? There is a name for that one, guys. If you people can remember.
Percentage decimal, sir.
Not decimal. Format specifier. Forgot? Percentage D, percentage F. Those are called as format specifiers. Okay? Those are called as format specifiers. Why I am using percentage D here? Why not percentage F?
Because there is
Because we
int,
declared intent, sir.
So if we use int, we should use percentage D. If I am using float, I should use.
Percentage F.
Percentage F.
percentage.
If I am using double. If I am using int instead of int, if I am using double, I should use percentage D, guys. Percentage percentage F, percentage D. Double. No. I am confused. Okay. I will clarify that one in the upcoming session. A percentage double means 2D, guys. Double means percentage 2D, as I recalled. Let me check what will be the output of this program.
Sir, after printf in the first line, you're not given the semicolon at last.
Something is wrong. 1 second. These online compilers at times they create problems, guys. Enter the value of n. Let me give 10. One second, guys. Yes, guys. See here. Enter the value of n. I can make you people understand better. N is even. See, guys. Enter the value of n slash n 10 percentage d ampersand n. N is even. Look. Enter the value of n. See, guys, 100. N is even. Otherwise, are you people able to see the output?
Yes, sir.
Everyone,
Yes, sir.
wherever.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
16. N is even. 13. See here, it is not displaying anything because it displays only the numbers which are even. You people give me the numbers. Someone, girls, for which number I need to check whether it is even or odd? Girls,
Sir, 19.
19. 19 na 90 na?
19, sir.
19. See, it won't give the output because it is going to display only the numbers which are even. Okay. Let me check for 90. N is even. Okay. Guys, did you people understand this program? Did you people understand this program and understand if concept?
Yes, sir.
I'm not speaking about if else. Is if and is
Yes, sir.
this program understood? Reply clear if you have understood. Reply clear if you have understood if and that program. Go through this program. I will give you now. Time is 2:46. Take the time till 2:50. Go through this program. If you have any doubt, please let me know. We are not in a hurry. ಈ program ನೋಡ್ರಮ್ಮ. Next, guys. Next, sorry, I did not share the screen. I think I had not shared the screen. Go through this program, guys. Take 2 more minutes. Okay, guys. Now, guys, if I want to check whether the given number is even or odd, what should I do? To check, okay, even. ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. For the same program, we are going to check if n modulus 2, if n modulus 2, if n modulus 2 not equal to 0, n is odd. Here in this program, what we are going to do is we are going to check whether the given number is odd or not. 19. Someone told 19. N is odd.
Excuse me, sir.
ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ.
Are you sharing the screen, sir?
Wait, sorry. Okay, good man. If I'm not sharing the screen, okay. I have made some changes for this same program. See here, for the same program, what I've done is earlier it was n modulus 2 is equal to 0. N is even. Now I have given n modulus 2 is not equal to 0. Not equal to 0. That is, now the screen visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Visible.
Now what I've done is n modulus 2 not equal to 0, guys. If n modulus 2 not equal to 0, n is odd. Obviously, if I give 17, what is the output? 1 second. Stop. Run. Let me check 7. N is odd. I think n is odd only we are getting. I don't know why this program came. No, guys, I'm not happy.
Sir, we can use coding ground platform also.
We can use, but I'm
Coding
comfortable.
ground, sir.
I'm comfortable with this one, Pushkar. Let us stick on to one thing. There are, I will show you. Someone mute. First, నిన్ను ఎవరు రానిచ్చారు ఈ మీటింగ్ లోకి? హలో, ఎవరమ్మా మోసం చేయండి అదే? ఎవరు మోసం చేయండారు? ఇంట్ మెయిన్ ఇంట్ ఎన్ Hello. Enter N. No. Scanf. Percentage D. Percentage D, comma. Numbers until no. Colon. If n modulus 2 not equal to 0. If n modulus 2 not equal to 0, printf n is odd. Let me check whether how we are going to get select C language. Enter n. I will give 100 and I'll give 13 only, guys. N is odd. Let me check by giving an even number. 10. Here you won't get the output. Did you people get the even number and odd number in the same program by changing 2 lines of code? Did you people understand how to get even number and how to get odd number? Reply OE if you have got. Reply OE even number ಮತ್ತು odd number ಏನಾದ್ರು if you have understood both the programs, reply OE. It's not understanding or it's not listening. It's only practicing which will help you. Otherwise, you will listen from this year and you will leave from this year. Listen from here, leave from here. I cannot force you people. Only practice makes you people perfect. Now, I want see guys. I wrote 2 programs to find even number and 1 program to write even number, 1 program to find out odd number. Now I want to write a single program which is going to give both the output. How can I write? How can I write? In the same program, I should get both the output. By using what I can write?
Else, sir.
Huh?
Else.
If else, bari else allamma. It is not only else, it is if else. By both if and else, correct Pooja. By using both if and else, we can do that one. Let me check. Else. N is even. First I am checking odd number or not. Later I will check even. I will show that code also. Don't worry. Return 0. Enter n. I will give 1 9. N is odd. People give me other number. 20. N is even. Hey, are you getting all the output? Pushkar, what is your USN, man?
Sir, screen is not visible. Sir.
Oh,
Sir,
Now go through this program. I'm going to enter n. I'm going to read n, and I'm going to do this operation. If n modulus 2 equal to 0, if n modulus 2 not equal to 0, n is odd. Else, n is even. Pushkar, what is your USN?
Sir, 1V20CS119.
Last number.
119.
N is odd. Okay. Someone, other, Monica or anyone, what is your USN, ma?
So 094.
94.
Yes, sir.
N is even. Correct, 94 is even or odd?
Even, sir. Correct.
Matte Naveen, what is your USN, man? Naveen is not there. Monisha, what is your USN, ma?
94, sir. It's me. I told no.
90?
94. I told no.
ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಮ್ಮ
Yes, sir.
94 ಇರಲಿ ಬಿಡಮ್ಮ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ 94 is even. Okay, one more thing. प्रथम USN कितना भाई? पता मिलना. Pooja, what is your USN, ma?
111, sir.
111. 111.
Yes, sir.
N is odd. Are you getting the same output? Are you getting the correct output or wrong output?
Correct, sir.
Okay, correct. Now you people, what you do is, now time is 3 o'clock. Take time till 3:05 and go through this program. I will make one more change and I will show another example with this one. Guys, for the internals, it will be guarantee question program. For the internals, either this program or voting program. Is this program understood? Reply EO. Wait, I will change this one. We can check even in the other way, guys. If n modulus 2 not equal to 0 idala, will equal to 0. N is even. Else n is odd. We can do even in this way. You will get the same output. One, two, three. N is odd. Did you people get the difference? I wrote the same program in two ways. Is it clear? Reply 2 if it is clear. Reply numerical 2. Reply numerical 2 if it is clear. In both the ways I wrote. Arpita, Nitin, Pooja, Monisha, Nishita. Apart from these 5 people, Nihal, others. Hey, 30 people are there live. Okay, let me check election voting. Hello, Indian. Hello, Indian. Your age, please. Hello, Indian. Your age, please. If n is greater than 18, if n is greater than 18, you are eligible. You are eligible. Else, not eligible. Okay, let me check. Hello, Indian. Your age, please. I'll give 13. Not eligible. Obviously, 100% correct. Pushkar, what is your age, man?
Sir, 20.
Please. Hey, you are eligible, man. Pooja, what is your age, ma?
Sir, 18.
18. If n is greater than or equal to, let me take. Then even Pooja will be eligible for voting now. You are eligible. If I take just 18, if I take 18, just 18, Pooja won't be eligible. Not eligible. Did you people understand this program? Reply VOT, VOT. Reply VOT if you have understood. Sorry, wait. Take time, guys. Take some 2 minutes time, or even if not 2 minutes, 1 minute. The screen will be shared to you. You reply. Now you people respond. Okay, is this if and if else clear? Reply yes or no, man. If it is clear or not. If this if and if else clear ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? Okay, let us see other things in if and if else. Sir, I'm getting error while I'm compiling. Arpita, can you please share the screen, Arpita? Arpita,
Yes, sir.
share madam, let me see. You are from Karnataka, Andhra, or other state?
Karnataka, sir.
ಇದು ನಿಂದು ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಮ್ಮ. Just 2 minutes, guys. One of our friend is having some trouble. Let me check. Monica or any other boys or anyone, if you are having any trouble, you can share the screen, guys. Open up.
Sir, is it visible?
ಇಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ ನಿಂದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಡಾಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನಿನ್ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲೋಗಿದ್ದೇನೋ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಆರೋ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅಪ್ ಆರೋ ಮಾರ್ಕ್. ಇರಮ್ಮ. ಹಲೋ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಇರಮ್ಮ. ಝೂಮ್ ಇದು in 10 hello Indian, your age please, percentage D, if n is greater than irama zoom it andre maximize the window. maximize madam Arpita. ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಇದು
ಸರ್ ಅದು ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮೈಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ, ಅದು ಉಬುಂಟು ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
ಉಬುಂಟು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀಯಾ? ಇವಾಗ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಏನ್ ಸರ್?
ಇರೋ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯು ಆರ್ ಎಲಿಜಿಬಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಏಜ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀಯ ನೋಡಿ, ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀಯಲ್ಲ ತೆಗೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟ. ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡು ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವೋಟ್ ಡಬಲ್ ಕೋಟ್ಸ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡ ತೆಗೆದ್ಬಿಡಮ್ಮ. ಕೆಳಗಡೆನೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಅದು ತೆಗೆದ್ಬಿಡಮ್ಮ. ಕಾಮನ ತೆಗೆದ್ಬಿಡು, ಕಾಮ ಏನ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ಬಿಡು. ಈ ಕಂಪೈಲ್ ಮಾಡಮ್ಮ. ಬಂತೇನಮ್ಮ?
ಹಾ ಸರ್, ಬಂತು.
ಗುಡ್. ಹಂಗ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎನಿ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಗೈಸ್. ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎನಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್. ಏನೋ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೂ. ಗೈಸ್ ಗೋ ಥ್ರೂ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಟ್ರೈ ನೋಡಿ ಸ್ಲಾಶ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾ ಕೊಡಬಾರ್ದಾ ಅಂತ. Okay, I hope it is clear. So let us see what are the other variants in if else, guys. Is this one clear till now? Reply till if it is clear. Guys, how many of you are doing in laptop? Can you people please share the screen? Guys. How many of you are doing in laptop? How many of you are using laptop? Guys, how many people are using laptop? Okay, let us see other things. What we can have is, guys, in one if. One nimsha. Guys, one nimsha. This program, guys, here. Guys, you people have written 10th exam, right? In 10th examination, if you have scored above 85, correct, if you have scored above 85, distinction. 60 plus first class. 35 to 60, 85 plus first distinction. 60 to 85 first class. 35 to 60 second class. 35 to 60 second class. Matte below 35 it is fail. How to write a program for this one? How to write a program for this one? Am I audible? Guys, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Did
sir.
you get the question? Did you get the question?
Yes.
Did you get the question? Question is your 10th standard marks card. Your 10th standard, I want to declare the result. If it is above 85 distinction, 60 to 85 first class, 35 to 60 second class, below 35 it is fail. I need to write a program for that one. How can I write? If I use if else, first class or second class, only those two things will work. Or fail or pass, that will work. Or distinction or not distinction, it will work. See here. If n is greater than 60, you are eligible for first class result. I'll share the screen. Now is the screen visible? You are eligible for first class. You are eligible
Yes.
for second class. Here, if I give 59, you are eligible for second class. are eligible for second class. 58. You are eligible for second class. Next to 78. You are eligible for first class. One more thing. 99. You are eligible for first class. Do people understand the result program? If you have understood the result program, reply result RES. Go through this program. Take 1 minute or 2 minutes time. Note Rappa idan correct ag nodi. We are not in hurry. Idanak nodi. Now in this program, can I check for any other thing in the same program or in the same constraint or in the same format? Can I check another class? It may be I am checking for first class and I am checking for second class here. See here, I will give 40. 40. So eligible for second class. If I give 10 also, it will take second class only, guys. 10. You are eligible for second class, but it is fail. If you get 10 out of 100, it is fail, right? So it is not giving proper answer. So what we need is we need different cases. Below 35 fail, 35 to 60 second class, 60 to 85 first class, 85 and above it will be distinction. To do that one, can I do in the same program or we need a different format? We need a different format or we need in the same program we can do using if else. Guys, okay, that might be new for you. What we need to do is, guys, we need to use if else, nested if else. What is a nest? A nested if else andre ಏನು ಇರುತ್ತಪ್ಪ? What will be there in the nested if else? What will be there in nested if else? Guys, everyone, just reply hi. See, guys, ಈಗ result ಅಲ್ಲಿ if it is fail or pass or first class or second class, we can check using if else. If I want to declare the result based on fail, second class, first class, distinction, will this syntax if else work or we should go for other thing? We should go for other thing, guys. If it is one if it is two if else, if it is more than two, what we need to do is we need to go for nested if else. Now, what is nested if else? You know if, you know else. What is nested if else? Simple appa, nested. Naveshri, nested andre ಏನಿರುತ್ತಮ್ಮ? What might be in nested? One inside the other, one outside the other. Nested andre it will be okay. Reply to this one. Nested andre it will be one inside the other or not. Nested if else. One inside the other. 100% correct, guys. Nested if else andre one inside the other. Let me share the screen. See here. Yeah, next thing is nested if else. See here, nested if else. Let's go a little bit slowly only. An if or if else enclosed within another if or if else statement is called as nested if statement. So when an action has to be performed based on many conditions, one condition means if, two conditions means if else. If there are more than two conditions, we need to go for nested if else. So this will be the last topic. I will wind up the class after this one. Nested if else. If the first condition is false, it will go to the second condition. Even if the second condition is false, it goes to the third condition. This example is biggest of three numbers, guys. Let's not be in a hurry. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. Okay. ಇರ್ರಿ. Guys, if I am correct, to find biggest of two numbers, what we need is we need two numbers. We need to compare which is bigger, and we are going to declare that that number is bigger, right? If there are three numbers, we need if else or nested if else or nested if. If there are three numbers, two numbers means if else. So three numbers means
Excuse me, sir.
yes, man.
Sir, in my programming, I'm having a little bit doubt, sir, for finding the eligible or not eligible, sir.
Eligible. What? Come again?
I mean, sir, I'm using that if else condition.
If
So
else.
in that, sir, yes, sir.
Wait, let me share my screen. So this is the program what I have written. What changes you have done?
Sir, in the bracket of else, you will not write nothing, sir.
What, man?
Sir, in the bracket of else, nothing should be there.
No, nothing should be there. It is if and else, that's it.
Okay, sir, it works. Thank you.
It will work, Pushpa. Hey,
Yes.
it's common. Let me check one more program. I forgot to explain this program. %d, %n, comma, %m. If m is greater than, if n is greater than m, n is greater than m. Is the screen visible? N is
Yes, sir.
greater, else m is greater. Then I made a mistake here. Mistake andre 100% program is correct, but n and m. See here. Enter the value of n and m. N I am going to take it as 2. M I am going to take it as 89. Now here, which is greater? Which is greater, guys?
29.
See here, enter n and m. Let me take n as 10, m as 19. M is greater. Did you people understand this program? Greater or greater? Reply GR if it is clear. Reply GR if it is clear. Now guys, in this same program, can I check it for 3 numbers without nested if else? Yes or no? Without nested if else, can I check for 3 numbers? ABC. Yes or no? That's it. In the same program, can I check for 3 numbers? M and O. Everyone reply hi. In the same program, my question is, can I use the same program to check for 3 numbers? That's it. Yes or no? Reply yes or no, guys. Can we use the same program to do for 3 numbers? Yes or no? No, ma. We should use. Allah, nan question ಏನಂದ್ರೆ Monisha and Shashireka. My question is, in if else, can we check for 3 statements? In just if else, in not nested if else. In if else, can we check for in just if else? So we should go for nested if else, guys. So I'll complete within 5 to 6 minutes. See, yes, screen is sharing. So yeah, nested if else. If you see the program, you will understand this one. Here are 3 numbers. Let me check. I copied on this program itself. Okay, guys, I think that's more than enough for the day. Guys, okay. If and if else. Are this clear? If and if else. Theory and program. If it is clear, reply if and if else. Okay, guys, good. Thank you. Guys, practice. That's only which will help you